What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's another week and it's Saturday. Amik woke me up this morning, said that he want to brush his teeth and he want to go to school. So I'm trying to explain to him that it's Saturday, so no school today. Yeah guys, I'm in the kitchen, just made him warm up some pizza for him to eat, say he want pizza. So I warm up some pizza, waiting for him, gonna wake up him little brother. So, yeah.
Beer brother.
Bear brother is not in the room. Oh, maybe he's in our room. Maybe he's in daddy's room.
It's a pizza, yummy pizza. Oh
Come, yummy pizza. Come, let's eat.
no.
Let's eat yummy pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
Yeah.
No, get just a boo-boo.
Hmm? You have a boo-boo?
It's got this hot.
It's hot? Yeah, that's good. Blow it. Yeah, the glasses to watch the thing. Let's fix it. Wow. Want water? That's your brother bottle. I'll put it in a cup for you, okay? Zap, where were you? Here, buddy. That's your water. Zap. Hey, where you come from with your shirt? Wait, where you go?
You go in the bathroom, go turn on the pipe, don't?
You go in the bathroom and turn on the pipe.
My pizza down.
Pizza fell down? Zap, you want pizza? Come, put it in the seat, come. Today I brought the boys by the track to let them run up and all over the place and enjoy themselves. They actually did come home and fall asleep. Came home, shower, they eat something and then straight to bed. So that's a good. I realize whenever I do that, they get pretty worn out and tired and want to sleep. So I might do that some more. I might do that a lot more. I'm looking at my banana bread and having some green tea. Ice, that hot. Woo! Hey buddy. Woo! Woo! That burn. Can I repeat that? Woo! Oh man, guys, don't be jealous of my banana bread, you know. Man, I have a lot of it though. Man, don't know when it's gonna finish. Maybe some will leave for when Alicia comes back. Time. Don't break it. Careful. Magic him now. Take time. Wow. Wow. Azaf, wow. Don't take it off. Baby brother doesn't want it. Yeah, leave it. Yeah, he don't want it.
It's
Original. It's too small for me, buddy. It's too small for my face. Cheer up the boys to go run off some steam. Glad say Shannon come out still because I couldn't manage the sun, you know. Good man, so I'm glad Shannon is here with them. Man. Man, boy, you don't need to go to run up and down with the youths, you know. Shannon looks, you don't look tired from training, so you can't go out there still. Yeah, I'm glad Shannon called, brother, because, brother, if Shannon never come, I don't think I go out there, so, you know.
Bobby. I never let this movie.
Amik, it's fun? You can't manage down. You can't manage down.
What? Masha, Amik.
Go, Azaf, go. Go play ball. Alicia pressure me to come out here still, you know. Or else I would be home just chilling. Alright. I go there play a little ball with them and set up myself a little bit. Water break? Sit down here, so yeah. You can sit down here, yeah.
Kick it. Yeah, kick it. Kick it. Yeah,
Mad.
kick it. Kick it. Yeah, don't lift it. Where are you going?
Do you drink all the water in one go?
Yeah, kick it. Yeah, kick it. Yeah. Kick it, come on.
Oh no, it's my. Oh, ow.
Sweat, boss. No, sweat. Nobody go sleep, you know. We are back home, guys. Been trying to give Amik some curry chicken and rice and them things to eat, but Amik just want pizza. Amik just want pizza, so pizza it is, right, buddy? Pizza it is. It's hot, I just warm it up in there, so it's hot. Pizza? Pizza. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. I mean, pretty much nothing to do today. Just hang around the house and chill. Might just start play. Yesterday, Amik had me running around the house. Saying I want to go faster. So, man, I don't know. But yeah, might just have some fun as I've gone to take a shower. So he's tired. Amik, I don't know if Amik is gonna sleep or gonna take a nap. But as I've been falling asleep from the car in beat. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Don't think Alicia vlog today. So what? You saying hi? You saying hi?
Hi.
Say bye.
Hi.
Say bye bye now.
Hi.
You say enough hi. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Hi.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know how this got in the passage now. How did this get in the passage? Amik! Jesus Christ. I guess I don't want it in the playroom anymore.
Why you took the thing out the playroom? Hey, who put the thing in the passage? Who put the thing in the passage? Huh?
Watch him now.
Who pull it and put it in the passage?
Says me, daddy.
Hey, who put the thing in the passage?
Tell me, daddy. The time he was pulling, then he's also inside.
Hmm?
He was inside.
He was inside it while he was pulling it? Yo. Jesus Christ, man. Well, I'm not putting it back in there now. I carry it down in the garage, but throw it in the garage. Yeah, I can't leave it down there. But anyways, guys. Man, shut them out, yeah, man. So, guys, Alicia said I shouldn't announce the requirements to win to attend to win the ticket to come to my birthday party. As yet, she wants to be a part of the announcing the requirements. I mean something that be nice and but anyways, guys, Alicia is gonna pick up her new phone and then we're gonna let you guys know what you should do to win this free ticket. Azaf is coming? Let me come.